Okay. A couple things have happened today. One, Rangers crashed a helicopter. Not unlike a movie you've probably seen. Right behind us here. We've been sitting here since 2 o'clock this morning. We've been attacked about 30 times. RPG almost hit me and my boys right over here, about 10, 15 meters away. Scared the crap out of me. And now basically we're just waiting on them to attack again because the sun's starting to go down. Typically they attack around this time. We're ready for them now. We got the saw over here, and we got Rangers fiddling around the helicopter. I don't know if they're working on it. There they are. Go ahead and get the gun up. Guess it's gonna be a long night.